Hello, namaste everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new here and tuning in, thank you for watching. And this is a general timeless reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. If you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for further notification. This is a general reading for Cancer today. So, all the Cancers, thank you for watching, and let's check out what's there for you. I have three cards for your career, love, and money reading. So let's see what's that. So your career is looking like you are full of passion currently, very ambitious, and action oriented. So bold moves are expected. If you're thinking of switching a job and taking up a new job, you're starting a new project, or maybe launching your own new business, so this is a very good card for that. So fire energy, and you're ready for those bold moves in your career. So a very significant shift is seen here, and relocation is definitely there for you. And since cancers are those water element, so your emotional intelligence is also very much needed at the time. So combine that with this knight's card, and since knight, this is a very fiery card, and wands also the fire. So you need to balance those emotional your intelligence and what you want to do, so you're finally ready to go for it. Also, if you are feeling a little very much impulsive, and so much of enthusiastic and fiery, so it is also suggested to think about long term security here, and don't be impulsive. So even if you want to switch jobs, change your career, so just be mindful here. And there's something you're creating. So very much this looks like very much heart driven shift. It could be like you might be helping others also, emotionally, or it could be a helping profession you might be switching into. And also this it looks like you could take up a management role, or that mentorship role you could be offered. Also, if you're not happy with your current job, your career, so it the card is encouraging change. So you can shift to new job, if you're thinking about, and it is definitely a good card for the change, but work smartly, don't be reckless about just leaving this thing and switching. So just listen to that intuition you have, you know and manage balance both your emotional intelligence and your ambitious energy currently. And in your love, so you are looking very self-sufficient here with that pentacle card, and you're in a very strong and stable, emotionally grounded place currently. So you're not rushing for that relationship to come into any commitment. And because you're currently you're valuing yourself, your independence. So this also shows that how much you are into self love, you are appreciating yourself, and it opens doors for you to get attract that potential partner, if you are willing to make a bond. So this is very emotionally mature card. You are showing yourself very confident, and you are self content here, and you are not You have high standards here. You are not running into impulsively any kind of relationships. So it's very much you are not craving any kind of validation here. You are open to relationships, but also you are happy in the current situation, how you are, in that independent state. You're financially stable, and you're not desperate for any. If you get, well and good. If you don't get, you are open to that, but you are not rushing into any such thing. So loving yourself the way you wanted others to love you, it's that card. So you are treating yourself good, very prosperous you look. And that's what you will attract also. How you treat yourself, how you see yourself, you want others to look at you the same way. So that's what you're doing, and this way you will definitely attract the one. You are willing to with that energy. So sit on your throne and open to receiving what you are attracting. You are like a magnet currently. So self love is very good thing, and it shows how much weigh yourself, the self worth. So you value peace and maturity, and that grace is there. So that's the same things which are gonna coming to your way. So that's a very good card. Be in that energy. And now those 10 of wands in your money read, so it's not looking so good, because you have overburdened yourself, with the responsibilities. You have taken everything on your shoulder out of your caring nature, your emotional nature. Cancers are those emotional people. So you are overworking here, but that's not a good sign. You are being weighed down by maybe debts. All the debts are on you, or you have financial pressures, and you are seeking that financial stability here. Uh, you are shouldering too much responsibilities financially, either yours or even others. So it out of maybe family obligations, or some kind of debts or loans you have taken, you're not giving back, or a business that solely depends on you, and this load is getting out of hands now. So it is advised to not spend so much in others. First look at yourself. First be stable in your own financial status, and then offer a helping hand to other. And it also is like you're maybe emotionally spending, so you're not thinking about it mindfully. So you need to hire a good accounts person for that, you know or renew your budget. And it's also time to say no to whoever is asking for financial favors from you. Okay. And it also shows end of a cycle. So maybe you have pushed yourself so much to that state, and now you are feeling okay, one last push, and things will be resolved after that. Those financial challenges will be gone. So you can also take it positively, because you are on that verge of paying off all those financial debts, and get off of this financial burden. So yeah, you can take it that way also. But a good advice would be, you don't be afraid to ask for help, or set boundaries, especially with your closed one, your family members. So that financial security is definitely required here. So just don't carry the financial burdens of everyone alone. So that's one advice you can take from here. And now we'll take a final card of advice from our angels and ancestors. So, what's the final message for Cancer today? Guides and angels, please give me one card of advice. What the final message you want to convey to the Cancers watching today? Give me one card. Choose me as a medium. Please give me one card. The final advice, what the suggestions you want to give to the Cancers today. So, give me one card of advice, please. Okay, thank you. We have got the card. Okay, the Bridget is here. It says inner strength. So, the message is move back to wholeness and recognize that you have the power. You know, just look at this beautiful card and the message. Your spiritual fire is growing within. Recognize that the power of your soul is greater than you think, and you have come a long way since you began this journey. There is a powerful force within you, and you have the ability to create wonderful changes in your own life and inspire those around you to do the same. Be aware of new projects, opportunities, and fertile ideas that can grow into something larger than you may imagine. Call on the fiery goddess Bridget to light the way ahead. Can you look at that fire she's holding? What an apt card, Cancer, for this reading. See, we have got the cards of wands. That's the fire, and that's fire is connected to soul when we talk about fire. So your soul has that power. So the message is very apt and clear here. You know that's your soul fire. Your spiritual fire is growing within you. And what a beautiful card. Definitely resonates with your complete reading today. Oh, I'm so happy. Bridget is a Celtic goddess of Ireland, who is closely associated with fire. And she's uh, saint of holy wells and holy places. She channels your inner, she's telling you to channel your inner energy into something that is important for your growth. And that's a very apt card. Oh, what a message you have got, Cancer. And definitely, so just, uh, carry that sacred fire inside you. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching again, and meet you next time. Namaste.